Good morning, children. Let's start a new week with very exciting and a new chapter, that is addition. Children, I know that you have already learned and you must be knowing, many of you must be knowing that what is addition. But still, we have to start the chapter and learn many more new things in this chapter. Right, children? So, let's start. Okay. Now see, your mummy. And this is your papa. Right, children? Now, one day what happened? Mummy papa has gone to the market and they bought something for you. Tell me what they have brought for you. Yes, ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Okay. So, mama bought for you two ice creams. Right? And papa bought for you three ice cream. Right? And they told you, beta, come on, have lots of ice cream. Now you are very excited that you have got ice cream. Mama gave you two ice cream. Papa gave you three ice cream. So you are very happy and also very proud that I am going to have lots of ice cream today. So now tell me one thing. All together, how many ice cream do you have? Now what do you have to do over here? Yes, you have to apply the addition. Right, children? So, 2 and 3. Okay, that means 2 you have softies and 3 you have orange bars. Now, all together, what do you have to do? You have to add them. So, this we are going to learn today in addition. Okay. Now, first of all, children, I am going to tell you what is the sign of the addition. That is the most important part. Right, children? Yes, this is the plus sign. This is the sign of symbol of addition. Whenever you are adding two things, you have to put this symbol. Otherwise, what happened? Ma'am doesn't know what you are doing in the sum. So, this sign, this symbol is the very most part of the addition. Right? Now, you have to add these ice cream together. How many ice cream do you have? Now, okay. 2 plus 3. Okay. So, this is the symbol of the addition. Now, 2 plus 3, 2 ice cream and 3 ice cream. Now, count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the answer is 5. That means all together you have 5 ice cream. Are you going to have the 5 ice cream? Yes, you must be very excited or feeling this. Your mouth must be watering, children. Right? Okay, good. So, today we are going to learn a new chapter, a very exciting chapter in maths, that is addition. And this is the sign of the addition, children. And this way you are going to add the numbers. And the answer, yes, the second very important part, children. The answer of the addition is called sum. This you have to learn, children, and keep in your mind, children. The answer of the addition is called sum. S-U-M, sum, not S-O-M-E, sum, children. Okay, that is different sum. Okay, but in maths, the spelling of sum is S-U-M. The answer of the addition is called sum. Okay, so this we are going to learn today in maths. So now take out your books on page 32. Okay, there are some sum, children. Find the sum. Find the sum. That is 3 plus 4. You have to add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 2. This is the sign of the equal, children. This is the sign of the equal. 3 plus 4 equals 2. That is 7. The sum is 7. Right, children? Okay. Another one is 8 plus 1 equals 2. Equals 2 sign is very important, children. That okay? 8 plus 1 equals to 9. Yes, very good. Another sum is 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Very good. In the same order, you have to continue the other sum also. Okay. Now, another part of the addition. That is the addition by the forward counting. Addition by the forward counting. That I am going to tell you on the board. For forward counting, children, first of all you have to draw the number line. Right, children? Are you all following my instruction? Yes. Okay. First, write over here 10. I am starting from 10, children. So this is, children, number line. Okay. Now the sum is given to you. 11 plus 5 equals 2. 11 plus 5 equals 2. Now this sum you have to do on the number line. Now how will you do this? So the very first step is, children, you see the first number. The first number is before the sign is 11. This is the sign of the addition, children, and before the number addition sign is 11 is given to us. So put a circle on number 11 on the number line. Right, children? Now another number is, that is after a symbol, that is 5 is given to us. You have to add 11 plus 5. Now the 5 is given. Now have you seen a frog, children? Frog. Yes. How did he jump? Frog. Hop. Yes, like this. So you have to, the 5 is, children, single digit number. Okay. 5 is single digit number. So you have to hop single digit, because 5 is single digit number. Now how will you hop? Like a frog. Yes. 5 digit you have to jump frog. 1,
5 times.
2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Okay. 11 is given to us and 5 you have to add. 11 is given to us and 5 you have to add, children. Now you have to hop like a frog over here, because they have given only one digit number. So one step we have to 5. One step we have to hop for 5 times. For 5 times, because number 5 is given to us. So 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the answer is 16. Okay, one more sum I am going to show you. Another sum is, children, the number is given to us 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2. So what you have to do, the first step is, the is, you have to see the number. Which is the number first given before the sign? 13. Yes. Circle the number 13. Circle the number 13. Now, after sign, what is given? Number 2 is given, children. Number 2 is given. Now, you have to hop 2 times. Now, you have to hop 2 times. Okay. 1, 2. Right, children? Now, it reached number 15. It reached number 15. Now, the answer is 15. The answer is 15. I hope you understand, children. Okay. Now, another very important part of addition is addition of 2-digit numbers using grid. Okay. Addition of 2-digit number using grid. So, this is the grid, children. Right. This is grid. I have drawn on the board. I'll show you what is this. Okay. So, children, this is a grid. This is a number grid. Okay. Now, here we are going to do 2-digit sum. 2-digit sum. Now, the question is given to us. Plus, wait, I'm taking the bigger number, but first I'm going to start the small number. Okay, children, so that you may not confuse. Okay. 8 plus 20. The sum is given to you. 8 plus 20, children. Now, how will you do it? 8. Where is 8 in this grid? Where is 8? Yes, 8 is here. 8 is here. Okay. And how many steps you have to move? 20 steps. Okay. Now, on this sum, children, in this sum, you have to see whichever number is on tens. Okay. 20 is written here, children. Ones and tens. Which number is on tens? 2. That means 2 tens. That means 2 tens, children. So, from 8, you have to move to tens, 2 tens. That means 20 steps. 1 and 2. 1, 1 and 2. That is 28. That means 28. Okay, children. Now, the answer we have got, that is 28. Okay. Should I show you one more sum? Yes. Okay. Another sum is, children, 10 plus 24 equals to 10 plus 24. First, I'll rub this, children, so that you may not confuse. Now, number 10. First, you have to see the first number, that is number 10. Where is number 10 over here? Number 10 is here. Okay, circle that number first. Okay. Now, another number is 24. Again, children, you have to see which number is on tens. 24 is here. Rub the 0 and 24 is here. That means 2 is under 10. So, that means you have 2 tens. Okay. 2 tens. That means you have to hop. Like, no, not hop. You have to hop like a rabbit over here. Because rabbit takes long jumps. Right. Rabbit takes long jump. So, 2 tens. That means from 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10, 10, 2 tens. On 30 you are. Okay, on 30 you are. Now 4 is left, children. Now what you have to do? Again, single 4 is left. Now again you have to take 4 more steps. 4 more single step. That means you are on 30. After 30, which number comes, children? After 30 comes 31. Not here. We remember that, children. Okay. After 30, you are on 30, children, because you have taken two tens. That means 10 step forward you have taken. Okay. Now number 4 is left because we have only taken two tens. 4 is left. So you are on 30. Now 31 is here. So you have to start from here. The 4 steps more. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is 34. And the answer is 34. Right, children? I hope you understood. Okay, children? And you're liking my method of teaching. Okay. Now come back to the book, children. Come back to the book. Now on page number 34, children. Page number 34. Sums are given over here. Find the sum by forward counting. Use the addition grid for the help. This sum you have to do on this grid as I explain you on the board. Okay, and do this in your copy also. Right, children? Do this in your copy also. Okay, now another point in addition is addition fact. Addition facts. So children, for addition fact, I am going to tell you that whenever you are adding 0, which any number like 8 plus 0, then the sum is number itself. The sum is number itself. If you are taking 2-digit number also, like 24 plus 0, the sum is 24 only. Okay, some bigger number. If you are adding 92 plus 0, the sum is 92 only. Right, children? Okay. Now, if you are taking 1 also, children, like 94 plus 1, what is the sum, children? Yes, 95. Very good. Okay. Another thing is, children, on page 34, use addition facts to answer the following questions. So this also, children, you have to do it in the copy. These sums you have to do it in your copy. This is your assignment, children. So another one is shortcut to add 9. Shortcut to add 9. Okay, now take out 1 from 7 and add 9 to make it 10. Okay. Now 9 plus 1 equals to 10. As we have taken 1 from 7, we are left with 6. Okay. So 10 plus 6 equals to 16. Now add the following. Now you have to add over here 9 plus 9 equals to, yes, equals to 18. Very good. Now 5 plus 9 equals to, sum you have to follow it. You have to calculate these sums. Okay, now another thing is addition, adding 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, now you have to do these sums. I am going to explain you a few sums on the board, children, also. Addition of 2 digits. Addition of 2 digits. plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the sum is, whenever you are doing the addition sum, children, so the answer is always right to be like this, that is sum. Don't write the answer. Okay? Don't write the answer like this, children. This is wrong. Write SUN, sum. Because the answer in addition is called sum, children. Okay? The answer in addition is called sum. Right, children? Okay, now. So, I hope you understood, children. Now, you have to do these sums in the book as well as in the copy. These many sums. Okay, children? So, I hope you understood, children, the addition and for forward counting addition, the grid, and these are facts of addition. I hope you understand and enjoying my class, children. So see you next in the next class, that is tomorrow. Okay, if any question, any problem, you can ask me tomorrow also. So bye bye, have a nice day.